ponai, čia paskutinį kartą mes esame kartu. Na, o dabar ovacijų dar prireiks, todėl kad į sceną kviečiu Lietuvos universiteto rektorę, profesorę, daktarę Dianą Rėklaitienę. Ovacijos, mielieji.
Now I have to tell some words in English as well. Good morning, dear graduates, your loved ones, esteemed members of the University Council and Sanaga, and respected lecturers. I'm truly delighted that we can celebrate this occasion of Lithuanian Sport University in the historic Kaunas Sport Hall, a place of great significance to Lithuanian sport. We are surrounded by other important sport landmarks, the stadium, our university, indoor arena, and the Oak Grove, a symbol reminding us of strength, endurance, longevity, and robust health. Today is a celebration not only for you, dear graduates, but also for entire university community, because this journey was one we worked together, students alongside with lecturers and other university staff who worked hard to make your years at this university meaningful, valuable, and manageable. I sincerely hope that from all the people you met here, you drew inspiration, observed knowledge and experience, and have adorned you for the future and shaped you personally. Together with all the lecturers, I want to rejoice with you and thank you for being with us throughout these years. I also want to express my deep gratitude to your parents and loved ones who supported, encouraged you, and in every way they could, helped you overcome the stage of your journey. Your university years were not easy also due to world events. You faced a lot of global geopolitical challenges that disrupted the world. Through fear, uncertainty, and injustice, we strengthen our values and begin to truly appreciate many things we once took for granted. The freedom to move, to communicate openly, to speak our minds without fear, to have the right to make mistakes and correct them, to dream, to create our future, and simply live and enjoy things that in peaceful times seem like natural entitlements. I thought, what could I say especially to the graduating students of Lithuanian Sport University? What makes you and your alma mater unique? Lithuanian Sport University is seeking to be a global university. What does it mean? Not just having you foreign students, but mainly having no boards between different people, different attitudes, approaches, different beliefs between science and practice, between disciplines. The Sport University is not just a place, it is a state of mind, a way of life. I am convinced that our greatest uniqueness lies in our university community, including alumni and students. People who is connected to sports usually strive for achievements and truly understand the price of success. They are willing to give more than they receive in return. They care more about others than others may care about them. They fight, take risks, move forward, and push for results even when it feels like there's no strength. And only such people experience true success. A university diploma is a culmination, a challenge you have overcome, a collection of experiences you have gained. But this diploma is only the beginning, the foundation of your career and independent life. A university diploma also comes with a great responsibility to society. It signifies that you are prepared not only to take care of yourselves and to demonstrate your knowledge, but also to think broadly, to work for a common good, and to contribute to creating a better, more sustainable and fairer world. University diploma also means freedom, but we can only enjoy fruits of freedom if we also have self-discipline, awareness, critical thinking, and responsibility. Otherwise, it is just the empty word. Respect your profession and your alma mater. The success, prosperity, and good reputation of the university directly translates into your greater potential and opportunities. You now become ambassadors of Lithuanian Sport University, spreading its values, which are not only related to an active lifestyle and sport, but also to personal responsibility for one's health and well-being. The university will always remain open to you when you want to share your achievements or talk about your disappointments. And today, I rejoice and feel proud of each of you and every one of you. Continue learning and growing throughout your life. Adapt with the changing world. Be patient and persistent. Don't give it to indifference and keep moving forward. And above all, never forget or lose your humanity, self-respect, and respect for others. Be happy and make others happy. I wish you all a wonderful celebration. Linkiu visiems jums gražios šventės.
Na, o dabar, kai mūsų komanda visai netrukus pasiruoš, liko viena svarbi detalė, brangus absolventai, jūsų pavardės. Šiandien jos skambės ne kaip kontrolinių ar įskaitų sąraše, o kaip pergalės akimirka. Ir pažadu, niekas tikrai jūsų nekvies antrą kartą garsiau, kaip būdavo per paskaitas. Tikrai. Todėl klausykime ausis iš In the book after taking your diploma or you will not get it. I am not lying. No, it's a joke. So, let's begin. Pradėkim.
Diplomus įteiksime magistrantūros studijų fizinis aktyvumas ir visuomenės sveikata studentams. We will be awarding diplomas to students of the Masters in Physical Activity and Public Health. Diplomus su pagyrimu gauna Diplomas with Honors Januškevičienė Ugnė.
Kaip ir repetavome, ponai, palaikome gražią judėjimo grandinę, jinai sparti, palaikome ir atsiimančius diplomą. Nepamirškite ateiti pasirašyti, gerbiama Ugnė, štai čia. Prašom tiesiai gražių žingsnių, o taip kaip per Oskarų ceremoniją, plojimai jums per sceną. Tenai pasirašysite, prašome štai čia žemyn laipteliais ir kviečiame toliau, gerbėmieji, grandinė juda.
Janauskytė Akvilė. Lukošiūtė Samanta.
Kas po Samantos jau artėjame prie scenos po truputėlį.
Naujalė Sandra.
Ar fotografui viskas tinkama, gerai, patogu, gerai?
Revekaitė Ieva. Vitkauskaitė Evelina. Bhagwant Batu Rachire. Diplomus gauna. Diplomas awarded to Bridaitytė Agnė. Glazunova Natalija.
Primenu, pasirašyti autografą padėti kviečiu štai čia, kur viskas gražiai ryškiai apšviesta.
Jurgelevičienė Vitautė. Naruševičienė Greta. Rupšytė Karolina. Skripkaitytė Marija. Storistienė Gabrielė. Šermukšnytė Indrė. Vaičiakauskaitė Aurėja. Varnelytė Kristina. Abdul Kadar Ubed. Atake Blessing Emubosa.
Migla.
Bahirov Ali.
Kaip ir visuomet per gyvą transliaciją turime visokių momentų. Tie, kas nespėjo, 2 absolventai nusifotografuoti, kviečiu juos į... Taip, drąsiau. Prašau. Keliaujame toliau, vardai ir pavardės vienas.
Jesse Shiba. Kutaba Kritika. Onateze Okenovo Timothy. Roy Thomas Roma. Diplomus įteiksime bakalauro studijų fizinis aktyvumas ir visuomenės sveikata studentams. Diplomą su pagyrimu gauna Kareckas Justas. We will be awarding diplomas to students of the Masters in Tourism and Sports Management. Diplomų su pagyrimu gauna diplomas with honors Delevičius Tomas. Kamandulis Domas. Diplomus gauna awarded diplomas to Baikštys Juozas. Girdauskaitė Miglė. Gurskas Edvardas. Inda Augustas. Jorudienė Eglė. Kakštys Gedvydas. Krasnickas Andris. Charaf Ben Saud. Odinukaes Ifoyan Michael. Diplomus įteiksime bakalauro studijų sporto ir turizmo vadybos studentams. Diplomus su pagyrimu gauna Bikutė Deimantė.